Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the S24 series, and it just received its May update. So far, Samsung has been giving updates every month on security patches, but also new features. This particular update doesn't include any special features. It includes many security patches, some pretty severe ones, and it stops hackers and security patches and things like that from happening. So how do we do this? You want to make sure you go to your settings, go into software update, and then go to download and install, which I last checked and did it this morning. It's going to check for updates, and if your software doesn't end in AXD3, you don't have the most current. So the most current ends in AXD3. And I want just to show you, here's what it looks like as it's updating. So updating your phone, once you have it, then you can do it later, or you can download it right away. It was a fairly good size at a half a gig. So 430 meg, almost a half a gigabyte. So it's mostly, as they said, though, I haven't been able to find anything new operation-wise. But if anybody knows, maybe drop it in the comments for me. But that's all that I've found. It's mostly, from what I've read, it's mostly security updates. So make sure you grab your new update. Always keep your phone up to date. It's very important. Also, which I've made a previous video on, your store, your Galaxy store, has an update, so you want to go to that and it'll automatically update itself. So go to your Galaxy store, the red icon here that I have, go into that, and it updated itself. When I did it, it had an actual update, so an actual update of the store, not of any different apps. The actual store updated. So that's it. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.